Hi everyone, Maxine here, Marketing Manager at Jecca Blac. Today I'm going to be showing you a fun Valentine's Day look which incorporates products from our collection. I'm starting off by priming our skin with our Hydrate Primer. This is formulated with aloe juice and shea butter, both of which are great ingredients for keeping your skin hydrated all day long with a silky smooth base for your makeup. I'm now colour correcting around my eye area with our award-winning Correct and Conceal palette, using the Peachy Colour Correct shade to brighten any areas of darkness around my under eyes. I'm showing you a quick before and after. You can basically use this on any areas that have a bluish dark undertone on the face. You could use this on beard shadow, you could use it over a tattoo, you could use it on anywhere that has any dark bluish undertones as it brightens the area. I'm now applying the concealer part of the Correct and Conceal palette as a kind of foundation, using a stippling motion with a foundation brush. I'm now carving out where I want to contour on my face using our Sculpt and Soften palette. This contains a highlight shade, which is the Soften shade, and a contour shade, which is called Sculpt. And I like to start out by just mapping out where I want the shadow to fall on my face, around my cheekbones and around my forehead area, and I'm also carving around the side of my nose as well. Once I've outlined where I want the shadows to fall on my face, I mark where I want the light to fall using a different brush. You don't want to use the same brush for the light and dark, otherwise you'll end up with a bit of a faded, sort of muddy looking contour. So you want to use a clean brush for each of these different shades. And what's nice about the formulas of this product is that you get a really seamless, natural skin-like finish. Once you've outlined where you want your highlight and contour to sit, you want to stipple the makeup away using a stippling brush or a foundation brush. I like using an angled foundation brush like this, and it's important to not smear the product all over your face, instead just patting it away until all the lines have been blended into the skin. It's important that you aren't able to see the contour on your face, rather that it just creates the illusion of where light and shadows are falling on your face. To complete my contour, I'm applying some Glow Drops in Rose Pearl. This is actually a highlighting primer, but it works really well as a dewy highlight at the end of your look or when you're completing any contouring on your face too, just to add a little bit more light to my cheekbones. I really like to do a sort of curved motion around my cheekbone just to widen and lift it. If you're not sure how to contour, the Sculpt and Soften palette also comes with a free guide to help you build a contouring regime tailored specifically to what your needs are and your own face and your desired results, because this is different from one face to the next. I'm now just filling in my brows and starting to apply some blush to my cheekbones and also to the bridge of my nose. I always like to put a little bit of blush on my nose too, using our Red Touch Play Pot. These are cream pigments. Play pots are cream pigments for the eyes, cheeks, lips, or really anywhere on the face or body you want to add some colour to. I'm now priming my eyelids so that I can begin my eye look. And I am doing quite a simple shadow at the moment because I'm going to be doing a wing as I build out this look. But just to start off with, I'm applying a lighter shade onto my brow bone and my inner corner of my eye, and then just into my crease, I am putting a soft brown colour. Now that I've applied my shadows, I am applying a black eyeliner, a black kohl eyeliner, to my lower outer lash line. I find that this creates a really nice sort of almond shape to my eyes, and using my lower lash line as a guide for where I want my cat eye to sit around my eye area always helps me find the direction of where I want that flick to go. I feel like it's such a good rule of thumb for if you're choosing where you want your cat eye to go, whether it's down or up or out. If you start with the direction that your lash line points in, your lower lash line, I find that to be a really good guide. I've now applied some mascara and I'm bringing this Valentine's look together with a statement red lip using our Life on the Rainbow long-lasting red matte lipstick. To complete my red lip, I'm applying some Red Touch Play Pot, which I also applied to my upper lash line, just to give it a kind of monochromatic feel of using the same red on my eyes and my cheeks and my lips. But I love applying this over the Life on the Rainbow red lipstick because it gives a really smooth satin finish and kind of softens it from being such a bold matte colour and just ties the whole look together really nicely. I decided to make my wings around my eyes a little bit longer and a little bit wider to further elongate my eyes and bring a little bit more drama. So I pulled the pigment out a little bit further using the same brush that I did earlier to create the wing. And this is my finished Valentine's Day look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. We'll be back with lots more videos very soon. Bye everyone, have a great Valentine's Day.